I'm going to solve this equation, giving you answer in simplified third form. Therefore, it can either be formula or completing the square. I don't like a minus x squared sign. The first thing I'm going to do is times through by -1, and that gives me x squared plus 8x minus 5 equals 0. And now I'm going to complete the square. X plus 4 squared, and that will give me x squared plus 8x plus 16. I don't want to have plus 16, I want it to have minus 5, so I've got to take away 16 and then take away 5 more, so we take away 21 altogether, and that equals 0. And now I want to just undo it. I've got one physical x here. First thing I want to do is add 21 to both sides, and that will give me that x plus 4 squared equals 21, square root both sides, and that will give me the x plus 4 equals square root of 21, plus or minus square root of 21 obviously, and then take away 4, and that will give me that x equals minus 4 plus or minus square root of 21. Okay, if you want to write it out, both of them, minus 4 minus root 21 or minus 4 plus root 21. So that's that bit. Part 2, solve the inequality. Just check it's the same thing. It's exactly the same thing as that. Well, I know what that graph looks like now because it goes through minus 4 or root 21. Root 16 is 4, so minus 4, take away a bit more than 4, about down here, minus 9, so that's minus 4 minus root 21, and minus 4 plus just over 4, so that's going to be just over 0, so that's minus 4 plus root 21. I've now got to sketch it, and it's a negative x squared, so it's going to be hill-shaped. Ooh, got my elbow there. And it wants, when is it less than or equal to 0, so it means all the way down here and all the way up there. So we're going to get minus 4 minus root 21. We're going to have x, and it's less than or equal to, so that would be a less than or equal to here, or x is greater than or equal to minus 4 plus root 21. Must be or, don't be tempted to put down and. And now I've got a sketch curve of this. Well, it's got times by x plus 4, given the coordinates of the points where the curve crosses the coordinate axes. So the roots are the ones I just already had, minus 4 plus or minus root 21, and minus 4. So I need to put those three things on. So I'm going to have minus 4, and that's minus 4 minus root 21. We're going to have minus 4 about here, and we're going to have minus 4 plus root 21. So that's three places. I've also got to have where it crosses the y-axis, and so if I put in x as 0 here, that will give me just 5 in the first bracket, times by 4, so that'll be 20, so I can put 20 wherever I like up here. And looking at the coefficient of x squared, x cubed, it's negative, so the curve is going to do that sort of thing rather than the positive one like so. So it's going to start up here, go down like that. Not too good. It's not meant to be quite like that. I'm going to redo that again. Let's undo that, and it's probably going to go up like that more. It's meant to go through all those points. That hasn't got to be the max one, basically. And I had it as a maximum before. So I'm going to put it like that. And that's 8 done.